Hello, I'm Liviu Balan, and today I will show you how to delete a local branch in Git. So let's get started. During this tutorial, I will show you what commands you have to use in order to achieve deleting a local branch, but also I will show you what Git is doing internally when you delete a local branch. So let's get some info about my current working project. If I type git status, you will see that I'm on the master branch with nothing to commit and the working directory is clean. If I type git branch, you will see that I'm having only one branch, master, and currently I'm on it because of this asterisk character. Now, in order to delete a branch, let's create another one from master, the current branch that I'm currently on. In order to do this, I will use git branch and then a branch name, branch underscore delete in this case. Hit the enter key, and now if I type git branch and hit the enter key, you will see that I'm on the master branch, but a new branch underscore delete were created. Now, let's see what Git is doing internally when you delete a local branch. In order to do this, in order to show you this, I will type ls-l .git, this is the directory where Git is storing the data, refs heads. Now, if I hit the enter key, you will see that inside of this directory, Git were created two files, branch underscore delete and master. Now, in order to delete a local branch, all I have to do is to use the git branch command and specify an option using the -d and then a branch name. So, if I want to delete the branch underscore delete branch, I will write git branch -d branch underscore delete. Hit the enter key, and now if I use git branch and hit enter, you will see that I'm having only the master branch, which I'm currently on. And if I use ls-l .git refs heads and hit the enter key, you will see that branch underscore delete file were removed. Okay, as you saw, I were able to delete the branch underscore delete, but when I've deleted the branch underscore delete branch, I were on the master branch. What I want to show you next is that when you are on a specific branch, you cannot delete it. So, in order to show you this, I will create branch underscore delete again using git checkout -b. Hit the enter key, and now if I use git status, you will see that not only I've created branch underscore delete branch, but also I've switched to it. So I'm on the branch underscore delete now, and if I use git branch again and hit enter, you will see that I'm having two branches, master and branch underscore delete, where I'm right now. Now, if I use git branch -d again in order to delete branch underscore delete and hit enter, you will see that Git is giving me an error, cannot delete the branch underscore delete, which you are currently on. So I am not able to delete the branch underscore delete because I've checked out on this branch. In order to solve this problem, if I use git branch, I will have to check out to another branch, the branch that I want to delete. So I will use git checkout master, hit enter, and if I use git branch again, you'll see that I've checked out to the master branch. Now all I have to do is to use the same command again, git branch -d branch underscore delete, and if I use if I press the enter key, the branch will be deleted. But before doing this, I want to show you what the git refs heads contains using ls-l.git, which is the directory where Git is storing the data, ref heads. And as you can see, here I'm having branch underscore delete and master. Now, if I use the same command again, git branch minus lowercase d branch underscore delete, and hit the enter key, you will see that git were deleted the branch underscore delete branch. And if I use ls-l git refs heads, you will see that git also erased the branch underscore delete file from here. Now, if I type git branch, you will see that I'm on the master branch, and this is the only branch that I'm having right now. What I wanted to show you next is that when you try to delete a specific branch, you will may get some errors when you delete a modified branch, even if you committed your changes. So in order to show you this, I will use git branch again and git status to show you that I'm on the master branch, which is the only branch that I have right now. I will create a new I will create a new branch using git branch delete, and I will check out to this branch. Use git branch again, and now all I want to do is to create another file -4.txt, and to put the content of hello world inside of it. So I will use echo hello world, and I will put the content inside of file-4.txt. If I use git status here, you will see that the file is untracked. So what I want to do next is to add it using git add file-4.txt, and to commit it using git commit -m and a commit message file-4.txt with hello world content. Hit the enter key, and if I use git status, you will see that I'm on the master branch. And if I use git log -n2, you will see that the new commit message were created with the previous message that I provided earlier. Okay, now I will switch to the master branch, use git status to see that everything is okay, and if I use git branch to show you that I have the master branch where I'm now and the branch delete here, let's delete the branch delete using the git branch -d and then branch underscore delete. Now, if I hit the enter key, you will see that Git is giving me an error. The branch delete is not fully merged. If you are sure you want to delete it, run git branch -uppercase D branch delete. So when you are using the -lowercase d, Git is making some checkings in order to before making the deletion. So if I'm really sure that I want to delete the branch, all I have to do is to use -uppercase D option. So I will write git branch -uppercase D branch underscore delete. Now, if I hit the enter key, you will see that Git is giving me a message that the deletion were done. If I use git status, you will see that I'm on the master branch, but if I use git branch, you will see that the branch underscore delete were deleted, and the master is the only branch that I have right now. Okay, so this is how you delete a local branch in Git. If you want to learn more about how to manage the branches in Git, I encourage you to read the manual page for the git branch command, and if you want to get it, you will have to type man git-branch. If you hit the enter key, here you will see the manual page for git branch command. Okay, so this is how you delete local branch. This is how you delete a local branch in Git. If you want to learn more about Git, about web technologies, you can check out my tutorials on YouTube and also visit my website liviubalan.com. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.